Yeah, trying to stop the violence. But some people who I thought was my friends, I try to help them out and then they paid me. That's why anyway I see all of this here. All they have to beat me for my money what they owe me. I go in and attack all the real fucking dread. No joke.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. This is an update on the BOSS thing because I made a video about BOSS and from my intel it tells me that BOSS is sort of like a troublemaker, a bottom feeder gangster, and BOSS will do certain things. A lot of people was making it out like BOSS is an angel and never got involved. Well, I'm gonna show you guys a video, and this was a killing that happened maybe 3 weeks or a month ago in Tunapuna, and the word on the street is that it was BOSS involved in this. Before I show the video, I wanted to state that BOSS was actually set up. He was set up by somebody, you understand, because the police, the gang unit, they were working on intelligence, and the intelligence that they got sent them to that apartment complex. Now it wasn't just BOSS. They targeted a couple people in that area. Once again, you have your little 1 gun or your 2 little 3 gun. When police come, you better strip naked and go out there with your hands up, because none of you can take on police. And as a matter of fact, out of the whole island them, the only set of men I see take on police and clear them out is the Jamaicans them. And I'm not saying this because I'm a Jamaican. There's many examples of even the beryllium robbery. You see how the man them moving and move up the police them and get them food and go about them business. That's all the man them care about. The money. Them are no serial killer. Them are no gangster. Them want some money. And listen, that's how it is. So in Trinidad, me not see the man them a take on police. If police come out now with a 1 gun, strip naked and turn in on yourself, If you look at this video, you see a car coming up on the left side. This video is in slow motion. Now this is where them say BOSS involved in her. See a car coming up on the right, one on the left. The one is dark and one is white. See the man them in the white car, them lick the other car on the right. That look like a Honda or something. Then a man in the red, him come out, run to the car, over to the left, the black car, see him there, with the gun, running down the car. When the car went into the ditch, over on the left side right there, see the two man them there? Them start full up the car of lead. That guy was killed over there in Tunapuna. If you look, you see the man them run come back to the car. The white, that looks like a Nissan. And my thing is, with all the camera and video of these crimes in Trinidad, how come nobody's getting arrested? So the man them go back in a them car and the man them drive off. And this is the killing that is stink out there on the road that Boss is involved in. So when people are talking that, oh, Boss is a kind youth and he is a low-level gangster, I would say borderline retarded. And if you guys don't believe me, just listen to all this man sound right here.
Yeah, trying to stop the violence. But some people who I thought was my friends, I try to help them out and then I paid me. That's not anyway I see all of this here. All they have to beat me for my money, all they owe me. I go in and attack all the real fucking dread. No joke.
If him not retarded, I am. Listen to him sound. Him all go on TikTok and he's threatening people who owe him probably like $120 or $500. Really crazy. With that said, this is my update on Boss. And I am gonna do a video on the young man who got shot about 2 days ago up in St. Anne's, and he's the brother of a high-level gangster, and I'm gonna explain the whole thing behind that video with the 7 of them. And Big Pussy Prezi, don't worry, something is in the making for you, and I will be doing that video also. Shotty Mark and the boy Junglist, I don't forget about una either. And Dangles, you kinda in my radar too. So yeah, we'll eat more videos coming up. Now, there's another thing I want to tell you guys about. Well, we have another YouTube channel for a little while now, and it was Countryman, but we changed it to Countryman Canada. And does it signify what we're going to talk about? Yeah, we're going to talk about Canada and all of the gangster and all of the gang thing that's going on in Canada. So you can check out that YouTube channel. It's called Countryman Canada, and we'll be doing some really exclusive stuff about Canada, because Canada is a nasty fucking country. Enough people think, oh, Canada is family and this and that. I'm gonna tell you guys some stories or some stuff that happened to the people them from the Caribbean and other places in Canada. Canada is not a bed of roses. I want to know that. So yeah, the new channel, Countryman Canada, and this is in association with another company named 6 Degrees of Separation. So 6 Degrees of Separation and Countryman Canada, new channel. I want to check it out. It's straight about the stuff that's going on in Canada. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.